WIRE, stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch the short 1 minute video to the end to find out because I'm giving you my exact arguments and my exact play. So we're sitting at 291, 11% up or so. Encore Wire Corporation. Definitely haven't made a video on it previously, so let's get right into it. Just for context, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So, looking at Wire, let's just zoom out and see where we are. So, bullish trend from what I see first glance. We've been going up ever since 1993, so very, very strong bullish trend. I'm going to mark out the highs here. Let's go daily chart. I'm definitely willing to take it higher. Let's go to the either from this demand area or demand area in here. Both of these areas are valid, but I'm only really going to take it higher if the price comes inside those areas, like one of those areas, and then gives me the rules. This is obviously not financial advice, and for more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.